Does your farm ever have employees get in their own vehicle and go get parts or go grab lunch for everybody, or maybe just going from field to field using their own vehicle when harvest or planting season is getting really busy? Then you guys need to look into what we call non-owned insurance. This coverage is typically not added to most farm policies that we review, unfortunately. It's very easy to add this to your farm auto coverage. It's relatively inexpensive compared to insuring your semis or larger trucks, but it's just unfortunately not added very often. And typically on commercial policies, if you're trucking for others or hauling for others, it's almost always added. But for whatever reason, farm policies just don't have this, and I think they need it as much or more than anybody else due to employees or seasonal work jumping in their own vehicles and going to get something. So if an employee jumps in their own truck, runs down to the implement dealership and hits somebody and they're at fault, unfortunately some of that liability can come back on you. If that person they hit tries to sue you or sue the farm, there can be some liability on you because he was working for the farm at the time. And so this coverage will pay for some of that liability, or at least protect you on that liability exposure. It's not going to pay to fix your employee's vehicle, but at least you don't have that liability exposure hanging out there that you would have to pay out of pocket. And unfortunately, as many of you know, employees are jumping their own vehicles all the time and going and getting stuff, and it only takes one time to have a catastrophic event that you have to pay out of pocket that the insurance company wouldn't cover. So when you look at your policy, most policies are going to have symbols on there. 7 is your scheduled autos that you have listed on your policy, and that's typically all we see on a lot of these older farm auto policies if you've been with carriers for a long time. But the 2 that you need is 8 and 9, and that is that non-owned insurance, and then the other one is also hired. So if you pay somebody to borrow like a neighbor's truck or something and give them some type of payment in that regard, that's where that would happen. Mainly the non-owned is the important one, but we recommend adding both of those, 8 and 9, on your policy. So take a look at that. If you don't see it or not sure, reach out to your agent, or you can send us your policy and we'll do the review for you and let you know if you have that coverage. We'd love to work with you. And I'm Tanner Coulter, owner at Coulter Farm Insurance. You can reach me at 765-744-0194, or you can get on our website at coulterfarminsurance.com. Love to work with you guys. Also, please subscribe below or like and share. Love to get these videos out to more farmers like yourself, and just continue to make these for you guys and provide some more insight any way that we can. You guys have a great day. Thank you.